first case gets inserted, it'll go around, and the first station that it's going to encounter is going to be the Hornady resizing and decapping. Now, if you remember, these cases have already been resized and decapped, but we're going to head and do it again. Okay, now the second station, these cases are going to get primed by the movement of the handle forward, like so. Next, this round is going to get decapped. This one's going to move over to powder. Next, after powder, this is going to get a bullet, like so. Start over, and it's going to go inside the tip of the sealing die. Next, it's going to get a crimp from the crimping die. And the next bullet is going to get a bullet seated. I'm not showing you up here because really nothing happens up here. Another bullet. Now while those are happening, over here you have the Hornady powder cup die, and you see this line. As this line sits atop or just flush with the top of the die, that means that the actual powder that we have on the case is the proper amount. Now we're gonna do it real time speed.